Why most day traders lose? Most day traders lose money because they fall into the trap of trying to predict every short-term price movement, what many call scalp trading. These traders watch minute-by-minute price candles, hoping to catch every minor fluctuation, but in truth, this approach is almost always a losing game. Market noise, unpredictable reactions, and high-frequency trading algorithms dominate these ultra-short time frames, making it nearly impossible for human traders to consistently predict the next candle. The result is frustration, overtrading, and eventual losses. The illusion of control is what draws traders into scalp trading. They believe that staring at price charts all day will eventually reveal a predictable pattern, but the reality is that markets are far too complex and manipulated in the short term for this to work reliably. The constant influx of news, institutional activity, and false breakouts makes the minute-to-minute approach more like gambling than trading. Success in trading requires structure, discipline, and framework, not impulse reactions to every tick. A smarter approach is to step back and focus on the larger picture of the day. Instead of trying to guess the next candle, successful traders seek to identify the day's high or low price. This broader perspective allows more strategic trades with a clearer risk-reward ratio. One proven method to help with this is the Taylor trading technique, which uses a calculated trading range to project where prices are likely to move during the session. By using tools like the Taylor trading calculator, traders can determine the likely direction of price movement and make informed decisions based on where prices open within the expected range. Trading with the goal of capturing the full day's directional move, not just a few ticks, helps traders avoid the emotional roller coaster of constant candle watching. It also helps eliminate unnecessary trades, which reduces transaction costs and mental fatigue. In the end, trading should be based on probability, structure, and planning, not gut feelings or rapid-fire reactions. By shifting focus away from the noise and toward the broader range of the trading day, traders can greatly improve their odds of success. At Timeless Dollar Trading Academy, I designed my course, Trading Mastery for Financial Freedom, with a belief that trading is a skill that can be acquired with the right tools, education, and discipline. Those skills include 6 powerful trade setups, how to apply the Taylor trading zone, and how to follow 12 rules to trade wisely that protect your capital while maximizing your opportunities. The mechanics of trading is not difficult to learn because there are only 6 trade setups: gap, support and resistance, trend, time and price, momentum, and candlestick. Let me briefly go over them. First are gap trades. The gap trade is one of the most consistent and recognizable setups. It occurs when the market opens significantly higher or lower than the previous day's close, creating a gap on the chart. Gaps often signal that the market is temporarily out of balance. Traders can take advantage of this imbalance by anticipating that prices will frequently fill the gap, meaning that we'll track back toward the prior closing price. By applying disciplined entry and exit rules, gap trades provide a high visibility setup to profit from short-term corrections early in the trading day. Next are support and resistance trades. Every market has levels where buying or selling pressure repeatedly emerges. These are known as support and resistance. Support represents a price area where the buyers step in, where resistance is where sellers push back. The course teaches traders how to identify these levels and then trade markets' natural tendency to bounce off them. By waiting for prices to test these zones, traders can make informed decisions with the added benefit of clearly defined risk levels, since a break of support or resistance signals a failed setup. Next are trend trades. The trend trade setup emphasizes aligning with the dominant market direction. Traders are taught to recognize whether the market is trending upward, downward, or moving sideways, and then structure trades that flow with that momentum. Trend trades can provide significant profit potential because they capitalize on the market's natural tendency to persist in one direction. Next are time and price trades. Markets move not only in terms of price, but also in relation to time. The time and price setup combines these two criteria to forecast a potential trade entry. Time and price trades consist of two legs. In the first leg, prices move in a certain direction for a certain amount of time, then stabilize or consolidate. The trade is the second leg, whereby traders can enter in the consolidation phase, anticipating prices will move in the same direction for the same amount of time. This setup builds patience, helping traders avoid random entries by waiting for both elements of time and price to align. Next are momentum trades. The momentum trade focuses on recognizing fast-moving price action, either buying or selling, but there's usually no recognizable setup. Prices reacting to market-breaking news is one example of a momentum trade, but many momentum trades can't be anticipated. Traders seeing fast price movements and long candles on the chart can profit by quick action to capitalize on a momentum trade. Momentum trades move quickly, so the key is to enter early while momentum is building, not after it has already peaked. The last of the 6 trade setups are candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns provide traders with visual clues about market psychology. Patterns such as dojis, engulfing candles, or hammers often appear at turning points or during continuation phases. By reading these patterns in the context of the Taylor trading zone and other setups, traders gain confirmation that buyers or sellers are gaining control. Candlestick patterns add a layer of precision to entries and exits, helping traders act with greater confidence. Thanks so much for watching. This is Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Trade safely, use lots of patience, and I'll see you in my next video.